Hi everybody, it's Nick Kelsh, the photo tips guy from howtophotographyourlife.com. Lots of people say you can't photograph decent action shots with an iPhone. Au contraire, you absolutely can. Here's the problem. When people photograph action, let's pretend there's somebody bouncing on a trampoline right here. What they do is they wait till the person gets up there high, and then they push the button like this. And they wait, and you can, oh, they're going up, oh. Mistake. You're never going to catch that. There's a delay, but what happens is if you hold the button down, hold that shutter button down, and many of you have discovered this by accident. If you hold the button down, you're going to do a big blast of photographs they call burst. If you hold the button down, I'll hold it close to my microphone. I just took, let's see, 47 photographs. Now, if I go to my photos, and I only see one photograph from that attempt. But if you look up at the top, right here, it says burst. I just shot 47 photographs, right? And if I come down here to the bottom, this is really the key. This is the stumbling block right here. You've got to go to this thing, select, and you click select, and all of a sudden, you can see all 47 photographs. And if it's somebody bouncing on a trampoline, that is spectacular. And if you touch one of the pictures, a little check mark goes off in the corner. So let's pretend that's my favorite photograph of a kid bouncing on a trampoline, and I say done, and here's the magic iPhone feature at work. It gives me the option to keep everything or only keep my favorite, and I keep my favorite, and it deletes everything else, which is a beautiful thing. This is an iPhone 10. It's the largest iPhone they make, right? I can hold that button down, and I can shoot 800 photographs in one blast. Hard to believe, but I can. Now, believe me, I don't want any of you out there saving 800 photographs of a kid bouncing on a trampoline. I want you to save one spectacular photograph of a kid bouncing on a trampoline, and that's how you do it. Let's review this one more time. Let's go back to the camera. The kid's bouncing on a trampoline. Here we go, here we go. They're bouncing on a trampoline, bouncing on a trampoline. I just shot 29 photographs. If I go to the photos, it's showing me this is a burst up here. If I go to select, I click on select, I can go through. Oh, there's a really nice picture of a kid bouncing on a trampoline, and I will say done to that. And let's see, oopsie, let's see, I gotta hit select there, and now I say done, and it says keep everything or keep only one favorite. I will keep one favorite, and all of the others have been deleted, and I have saved that one spectacular photograph of my hand, of the kid on the trampoline. I appreciate your time today. Go make the world a beautiful place with your iPhone. This is the most fun camera ever made, and believe me, I have tried them all.